Hello and namaste. Do you get stuck while speaking in English? And because of that, you are not getting your desired job, designation, or you are not offered your expected salary when you go for interview. So if this is your problem, here is your opportunity to improve your English speaking skills and become successful in life. I am Purvi ma'am from English language classes, and we have been training students since 2006. We are a team of expert, experienced and passionate teachers who strive to deliver the best through our unique teaching program. See, here at ELC, we help students to improve their English, starting from sentence formation to public speaking skills. It is said that people with good communication skills are paid 30% more salary. See, a better English gives you a better job, and better job gives you better life. So here at English language classes, we offer a complete English language program starting from sentence formation to public speaking skills. So those who come here, right, students coming to us, they all want to be fluent in English. Their objective is, that final goal is to have fluency in English. Matlab day to day life mein, right, if somebody asks you something in English, you should be able to answer back them in English. So that is the objective. But then too, their journey is different. Every student is different. And yes, we have developed a program wherein every student is trained as per their understanding and requirement. And we give 100% result. Whenever you come, you can visit any day at our center. We have centers in Mulund, Bhandup, and we start at 7:30 in the morning and batches are till 9 in the evening. So any day, if you have time, you can definitely visit and you will see that how our students are speaking in English. Regular conversation activities with understanding of fundamentals. So we have noticed that it is not that students don't know English at all. In Mumbai, we have seen that people, they understand English, they are able to write also English. The only problem is with conversation in English. And it is not that they know nothing. See, sentences are there in their mind. It comes, right? But they are not confident while speaking. They are doubtful. वो सोचते हैं whether this would have is correct or could have is better option. I sent the mail is more appropriate, or I have sent the mail is more appropriate. So these are the doubts because of understanding problem. Here at English language classes, we offer a complete English language program starting from sentence formation to public speaking skills. We have seen that with proper understanding of fundamentals, students are able to communicate nicely in English. Of course, their objective is having fluency in English. And we train students as per their understanding and requirement. When you understand subject properly, you are more confident while speaking in English. You don't get stuck. So आपको confidence होता है when you speak. You study grammar in a different way, right? You study fundamentals with application. With that, you regularly do group discussion, role plays, debate in the classroom, wherein you get opportunity to communicate in English in the class. Yes, you should speak only in English when you are sitting in the classroom. So definitely you get 100% result. We produce result, and yes, you can find us on Instagram and you can check what sort of activities we conduct in the class. So this entire course, right, fundamentals to fluency, this course, now it is for you people, and if you are joining us through Saral Shiksha, then you are going to get special benefit and special discount in the course. So we are doing present simple tense in English. You understood when do we use present simple tense? Whenever you talk about repeated actions in the present time, right? The things that you do repeatedly. So generally, how often do you do things? कुछ चीज कितनी बार करते हैं, उसका जवाब present simple से मिलता है. Right? You understood how do we use verb? We always use base form of the verb, and if you are talking about third person singular, you use SES with the verb, right? So let us practice questions. Yes. Chalo. Yes, Renu, at what time do you reach home usually?
I reach home at 2 o'clock.
Yes, Lalita. So how often do you go to D-Mart to buy your groceries?
I go to D-Mart once in a month.
Yes, Shiva, you tell me, usually how do you go to office?
I go to office by bus.
Yes, Swapnil, from where do you buy your formals?
So usually I buy my formals from Raymond.
So this Fundamentals to Fluency program is definitely going to help you to have desired fluency in English. So enroll for this program. Saral Shiksha is offering you a special discount on this course. So what are you waiting for? Join this program and become successful in life. See you soon.